Hello guys, today I want to show you a cool recipe for flatbreads with cheese and meat filling that taste like a burger. Combine 14 ounces all-purpose flour with 5 ounces semolina in a bowl. Also add 1 teaspoon of sugar and 1 teaspoon of salt. Stir everything with a spoon and add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Friends, I'm interested to know what cities my viewers are from. Please write to me about it in the comments under the video. Friends, if you like the recipes that I show you, give it a thumbs up. I will be very pleased. Pour 12 fluid ounces of warm water and add 1 heaped teaspoon of dry yeast. Knead the dough with your hands for about 5 minutes until it becomes soft and sticks only to itself. Cover the dough and place it in a warm place for 1 hour to rise. Guys, subscribe to my channel, Fast and Easy Recipes, if you haven't already. I'm sure you'll find many similar recipes here. Finely chop 1 yellow and 1 red pepper. Finely chop 1 large onion. If you have a question about this recipe, write to me under the video. I will answer as soon as I see it. Heat a frying pan and add a little olive oil. Add the onions and peppers and fry a little. For the filling, I recommend adding 17 ounces of ground beef. Add salt and black pepper to taste, and crush 3 cloves of garlic. Also add 1 teaspoon turmeric and 1 teaspoon paprika. Cooking time for filling is approximately 15 minutes. Stir occasionally. Finely chop a small bunch of parsley and add it towards the end of preparing the filling. Remove the filling from the heat and let it cool completely. Divide the dough into 8 parts and roll into balls. Pour some olive oil on the table, place the dough, and gently stretch the dough with your fingers. Add a slice of cheddar cheese for the burgers and 3 tablespoons of the meat filling. Wrap the dough and set aside the flatbread. Repeat these steps for the rest of the dough. Cook over medium heat in a non-stick frying pan without oil. Place the uncooked flatbread on the frying pan and gently stretch it across its diameter, using light pressure from the center to the sides. Cook time about 3 minutes on each side until golden brown. The taste of this filling in flatbreads is reminiscent of the taste of a burger. I'm sure you will love this recipe. Thank you for watching my video.